Welcome back to the Cocktail Corner. Today, we're making a classic Italian cocktail that's as simple as it is sophisticated, the Negroni. Let's dive in and stir up something delicious. Here is the recipe to build this cocktail. 1 ounce of gin, 1 ounce of Campari, 1 ounce of Sweet Vermouth. Orange peel for garnish. Now, let's build the cocktail. Start by grabbing a mixing glass. Add 1 ounce of gin, 1 ounce of Campari, and 1 ounce of Sweet Vermouth. The equal parts formula makes this cocktail super easy to remember. Fill the mixing glass with ice and stir gently for about 20 to 30 seconds. Strain the mixture into a rocks glass filled with ice. For the finishing touch, take an orange peel, express the oils over the drink, and place it in the glass as a garnish. And there you have it, the Negroni, a timeless cocktail that's perfect for sipping any time of year. Thanks for joining me at the Cocktail Corner, and don't forget to subscribe for more cocktail tips and recipes. Cheers!